waking up with itchy skin, red bumps or bites that you can't explain, you guys might have bed bugs. And we need to figure out if that's the case, because if you don't act fast, this isolated incident is going to spread throughout your entire home. So let's take you through a step-by-step process to figure out if that's what you're dealing with, and if so, how to deal with it. Step number one, guys, is going to be the inspection. The first thing you have to do is start on the mattress itself, because that's typically where these bed bugs start, because they have to have a blood meal to reproduce. So you need to inspect the sheets and see if you're getting any blood stain or splatter or brown marks. What that is, that's you killing the bed bugs. When you roll over and shift through the night after they've sucked on you for a blood meal, you're smashing them, and that's why you're getting those dots. If you're not seeing those dots but you're still getting bit, doesn't mean you don't have the bed bugs. We now need to start taking those sheets off the beds, and we need to inspect that mattress and that box springs. You may have something biting you that you did not invite to bite you. That could be the bed bug. So where do you check on the mattress? You got to check those seams. That's where they hide. That's where they'll reproduce. So when they're not out foraging for you, that blood meal, they're going to hide in those areas. The box springs, they'll get into those little crevices, those cracks, and they'll get in between where the wood comes together, the screws. It's a thorough inspection. Take a credit card. That's an easy way to pull that seam back and drag that card around the seam to see if you're seeing any type of activity. Now, that being said, if you want to make this situation worse, look at that mattress and think, hey, I'm just going to get rid of the mattress, and drag that bad boy through your house. You're going to spread those bed bugs from the room they were in throughout your entire house. Wrong way to do that. If you're thinking, hey, the mattress is so bad and I got to get rid of it, you have got to box that thing up, put a cover over it, a plastic cover, tape it up tight, and pick it up and carry it outside. Don't drag that through the house. We see this all the time. It's the worst thing you can do. Another thing that's so bad is people take the sheets off and they take them and just throw them in the room ready to be laundered into the laundry room. No, you've just spread them again. You've got to take those sheets. You've got to make this room is a crime scene.
Treat this like a crime scene.
You got to put stuff in a bag, tie it, take it directly to the washer, put it on the hottest cycle, wash it on the hottest cycle, dry it on the hottest cycle. It needs to be dried for at least 30 minutes on the hottest cycle. Do it twice. Just overcompensate. Make sure you've really killed off those bed bugs. So what do we do next? Next, you got to do a treatment. I said fast and easy, man. I'm going to give you two products today. Crossfire, Cymexa dust. You got a dust for areas that you cannot put a liquid, like outlets where they hide behind baseboards if you want to go there. And then you got your spray. I'm going to give you the easiest way to do this. A lot of you don't have sprayers, you don't have backpack sprayers. You just need to get this can and go. The aerosol can is going to be ready to go. You're going to shake this and you're going to treat those mattresses, those seams. You're going to treat those box springs. You're going to take that Cymexa dust and you're going to put that into the outlets, which means you have to unscrew the outlets and put a little dust of the Cymexa in there. It already comes in a bottle that's made to puff that in there, not clumping it. You're just dusting it. Any of these products that I've just mentioned, Crossfire, Cymexa, they can be found on our website with a more detailed explanation on exactly how to use them. But that's cut and dry. The can is shake and ready to go. The Cymexa dust is in a bottle that has a nozzle that you just shake, squeeze, and put it into the outlet. We've mentioned this before. Quick pro tip. In the Cymexa dust, put a penny. Unscrew the lid, put a penny in there. It's going to help agitate that dust when you shake it. That's a pro tip for you guys. Now, you've treated that mattress, you've treated that box springs, you've treated the baseboards, and you've treated the outlets with the Cymexa and the Crossfire, the best products on the market that you can use for bed bugs. There are other products out there, but you want to know what the pros use? Those are the two they use right there. Now, how often do you have to do this? You have got to come back every 7 to 10 days, because even though you're using a product that's killing those bed bugs in all stages, eggs, nymphs, adults, you may have areas of eggs that you're not getting that chemical, and they're going to hatch every 7 to 10 days. Now listen to this. Eggs hatch even faster when those temps reach 80 degrees and above. So when is that? Right now, summertime. What's going on right now? You got dorm rooms that are being infested. You have hotel rooms that are being infested. And now you have your homes that are being infested. Why is that? It's the travel, guys. It's those international travelers. It's those people going on vacations from state to state to state. They pick it up in the hotel room. They bring it back home to the house. How? You have your luggage. You're at the hotel. You put your luggage on the bed. No. Worst place you can put that luggage. Use the luggage rack. When you put that on there, you're basically saying, jump on my plane ride home and let's take it back to your house and continue this party. Do not put your luggage on the bed. Luggage rack, like I just mentioned. Here's another pro tip. People will take a aerosol can of the Crossfire. They will treat their luggage before they put their clothes in it. So now you have a protected barrier. In case bed bugs happen to get into your luggage, they are going to die off before they get to your house and have a chance to invade your home. So we've talked about the treatments. We've talked about the methods. You need to do this every 7 to 10 days for at least 3 weeks. You want to overcompensate. Bed bugs are a major problem. You already know that. That's why you're watching this video, because you can't sleep right now because your skin is crawling. So bed bugs are usually going to bite in an area. Watch my arm. They're going to put a bite here, and they're going to put a bite here, and a bite here. You're typically not going to get a bite here, a bite over here. Now listen to me closely. That can happen, but they typically bite in a pattern. Look it up on Google. Look up bed bug bites. It'll show you the indication of what I'm talking about. It'll usually be in a pattern, and it's usually exposed areas. Your arm hanging out of the sheets, you roll over your back, but none of this is set in stone. They can bite anywhere. We just want to get rid of them. You're tired of being bit. You're tired of the nightmare. It's causing anxiety. I get it, man. We've done so many bed bug jobs. You want to see the worst bed bug job ever? And I mean, we have seen bad ones. We're going to put a link to a video called Worst Bed Bug Infestation Ever. And it's a job we did, I don't know, 10 plus years ago. We've done a ton of them. This one is bad. You'll see how bad bed bugs can get when they get out of control. So if you don't stop it in the area that you have it in, you're just going to get these guys going from room to room to room in your house, and now it's going to be out of control. You're going to need to get an exterminator in there because they may even have to tent the house. So listen to what I'm saying and do the steps that I'm saying, and you won't have this issue. You'll use what the pros are using, you'll do it the way the pros do it, and you'll get bed bug free. Now, another thing to think about, when you're in bed and you have bed bugs, you can transfer them to, oh, I went to the sofa and I slept on the sofa. So you really have to be careful. Strip even your clothes off, add those to the sheets that are going to be laundered, and take care of it that way. Just be overcautious. Think about everything you're moving out of that room and where it's going when you move it. It should only be going to the trash, but it's bagged and protected before, or it should be going to get laundered. Now, another great thing to do, encasements. You can buy encasements, and they can't be just mattress protectors. These are encasements that are specifically designed to keep bed bugs out. The zippers are double sealed, they Velcro over them, etc., etc., etc. Those are a great thing to put on beds to prevent future infestations on the mattress, so you don't get an infestation and have to toss the mattress out or the box spring. So you can get it for the box spring and the mattress. Another thing are inceptors. Interceptors. So what these are, they look like little discs. They're going to sit on the ground. The bed leg is going to sit in this disc. It prevents the bed bugs from climbing up the bed and getting onto the mattress. They don't fly, so they have to climb, and that's why you got them up on your mattress. Remember, guys, they have to have a blood meal to reproduce. You are that blood meal. So if you follow these steps, we will get you bed bug free. If you have any questions, we are here to help you. I know this can be a traumatic experience. I have dealt with bed bugs for 25 plus years, and I've heard almost every story I can think of, and it's a nightmare for people. You could have had a friend that came over. Your kid had a sleepover with a friend. They brought their luggage over, and that's how you got them. Don't kill yourself with trying to figure out how I got them. I mean, think about it a little bit, but you may never figure it out, and you just need to get rid of them. Crossfire, Cymexa, this is going to be all you need to wipe those out every 7 to 10 days for 3 weeks in a row at least. So basically it's every week you're going to treat for 3 weeks. Just break it down that easy. And you're going to go through and do the same process you did the first time 2 more times basically. If you're not thorough, you're going to miss spots and the bed bugs are going to come back. Let's talk about that bed frame real quick. It just popped into my head. If you have a bed frame, get every area and little nook and cranny of that bed frame. Take it apart, take the footboard apart, and treat those with the Crossfire. Once again, 7 to 10 days, let's just call it once a week, and you will be bed bug free and you can sleep peacefully again. But just remember, when you travel, guys, cover your butt. CYA, man. Take that Crossfire, buy a can have it at the house, open the luggage up, treat your luggage. Now when you pack your stuff in it, you go, like I said before, your luggage is protected. If need be, come home, treat it again, let it sit out in the garage for a couple days. I'll tell you what, when we do bed bug jobs, I don't go out in the field much anymore and do these. When I did these, I was told by my wife to strip down naked in the garage. I was not even allowed to enter the house.
But we're going streaking! Yeah!
With the clothes that I had on before they were stripped down, put into a bag, laundered, and then I was allowed to come in the house, and I was thoroughly inspected by my wife in the garage. So how fun is that? You don't want bed bugs, guys. It's a nightmare. If this video has helped you, please subscribe, smash the like button down below, send us a comment, tell us your worst bed bug situation that you've had, and share your fun story with us. I know it's not fun. It probably is now. If you've got rid of them, you look back and laugh at it now, but what a nightmare to have bed bugs, guys. If this video helps, like I said, subscribe, like to the videos. We have many more to come. We have links down below at the bottom that will show you Crossfire, Cymexa, and it will have videos attached of how to use those products in depth if you didn't get enough out of this video. Good luck with that mission, guys. You'll destroy them. Get after it. Craig, howtopest.com. Have a good day.